Anchor Software presents Smart Master Data Management featuring UNISERV. I want to thank you for taking the time today to be here and to learn about our Smart Master Data Management solution. Today's webinar will last about 30 minutes and we will welcome questions at the end of the presentation, so please save your questions until then. Our primary focus will be on the importance of having accurate, up-to-date customer data so that you can make more effective decisions when marketing and communicating with your customer. After all, everyone knows our customers are our most important asset. So a little background before we start. Since 1999, Anchor Software has been providing data quality on-premise software services and cloud-based solutions. We are headquartered in Plano, Texas, with additional offices outside of Washington, D.C. and Chicago, Illinois. Our solutions are not only designed for the U.S. market, but for over 240 countries as well. These solutions can be global, regional, or country-specific depending upon your requirement. And with thousands of successful installs, Anchor has proven to be an industry leader in data. In addition to data quality solutions, which is our focus today, Anchor also offers solutions for postal processing, including CAS, pre-sort, NCOA change of address, dot design, and printing solutions as well. We also have a great strategic partnership with UNISERV out of Folsom, Germany for the past 15 years. As its exclusive U.S. representative, Anchor has successfully provided our own software solutions working in conjunction with UNISERV solutions to many Fortune 100 and 500 companies, some of whom who are in attendance today. UNISERV has grown to become the largest specialized provider of data quality solutions in Europe, and it's annually placed as a market leader in the Data Quality Magic Quadrant from Gartner for the past 5 years in a row. Today we'll be discussing the customer journey, knowing your customers, and building a golden record. The Smart Customer MDM, the success factor for captivating customer journeys. Today, it is no longer sufficient for companies to simply sell products or services. Instead, they must accompany the customer on their journey, from the initial idea to the actual purchase and even onto the daily use of the product. However, this is only possible when every action involved provides the customer with additional value. The prerequisite, the professional and automated data management. It combines all knowledge gained about the customer to the most comprehensive 360-degree view possible. It's a solid data foundation for a successful customer journey. All innovative processing and solution methodologies provide the user with a uniform, comprehensive, up-to-date view of their customer data. A smart customer collects and combines data together to guarantee high-quality customer data from all channels, sanction areas, applications, and databases. The user can then use this knowledge to carefully adapt shopping experiences and make it so captivating that after just the first step, the customer has no doubt about remaining with the company. The customer remains with you because they profit from the journey with you. Give your customers a face. The explosive spread of digital technology over the past 10 years have given customers an entirely new level of power. They have so much practice with the use of information and technology that they can dictate the rules of the game. The customers alone decide what they want, when they want it, and when to have it delivered to their homes for the lowest possible price. With a couple clicks on a smartphone, customers can not only request information or search for alternatives, they can also ask friends, place orders 24/7, pay online, in addition to complaining and sharing negative experiences made with the company, as well as sharing and telling good experiences made with the company. Retail traders and service providers have had to join forces and develop an analytical knowledge base and learn how to deal with big data. This enables the retailers to better understand the customers and attempt to regain control with this new knowledge. But most of the time, retailers only react to the customer's activity and then attempt to predict the next steps in the decision-making process between the initial interest and the subsequent purchase with a target of putting the customers in the right position for the so-called customer journey. However, it is far more effective for companies themselves to actively shape the customer's journey, thus making it possible to reinstate the balance of power, instead of allowing the customers alone to decide about the journey and then just passively accompany them. Successful digitalization companies dictate the course of events that is a little progress instead of just following it. These companies adapt the shopping experience so carefully and make it so captivating for each prospective customer that following the first step, the customer remains with them without question. Unlike the situation existing 10 years ago, companies today no longer have to employ arbitrary measures to retain the customers. Highly developed customer journeys are now so particularly successful because it creates new value. Customers remain loyal because they profit from the journey with the company. However, such a service can only be successful when companies aggregate their knowledge gained about the customers, including preferences and behavior, creating the most comprehensive 360-degree view possible. But it is all too easy to lose sight of the customer in the mass theorem in ERP systems, call center systems, service hotlines, claims management, support portals, web shops, and so on. Knowledge about customers often lies spread around data silos kept in different departments in other diverse locations. As a result, companies must adversely seek and collect whatever information is available. So you have to make sure that all systems have access to the same and latest details of a customer, because there is no uniform platform for mass customer data. Then problems are inevitable. This means that even the most sophisticated marketing campaign can simply bypass and be unnoticed. So danger lies within the profitability of the marketing budget, as time-critical actions can be doomed to failure before they even get a start. Missing segmentation characteristics make selections of the target group more difficult. The ability of providing customers and prospects with the most suitable offer at the right moment is more a case of chance than anything else. Relevant information, such as when a prospect becomes a customer, when they have purchased what, or what the preferences are difficult to follow in separate systems, and equally difficult to link together. The fact is, effective CRM is far more than just a case of simply collecting customer data. When a company has all data, including contractual data, in combination with user data, the evaluation of surfing behavior and internet usage, all under a single platform, then we can use it efficiently and effectively for each customer, as we, the retailer, can then target the customer with a precise approach cared for each individual. A base customer profile should contain all valuable information from different sources, such as transaction data, web behavior data, social behavior data, and mobile activity data. Customer-centric companies can only function if the following prerequisites are fulfilled by gathering complete customer contact data and information, including preferences and hobbies of the customer. The retailer must also capture as much comprehensive information as possible, including previous interactions. These procedures need to be available within the system. In other words, the golden profile must be created. The customer journey consists of enabling an organization to increase revenue via improved customer interaction. Basically, this means that the retailer goes from an unknown state to a known state, which includes contact details like name, first name, address, possibly a telephone number, or email contact details. This is what you would define as a golden record. To enhance this bare profile with database preferences, including transactional information, then it becomes a golden profile, where you, the retailer, have reached a status of rich profile with all kinds of preferences and describing information. This profile can be for a single person or for an organization. Smart Customer MDM success has its reasons. The rise of competitive customer journeys is a result of new technologies for programming, data access, and user interfaces, because these enable customer behaviors and personalized interactions to be followed to a degree previously unknown. A Smart Customer MDM, we provide a process and solution methodology that follows your customers in all channels and links data from the widest range of sources to form an overall picture of what they do, and clearly show results of said actions. Looking at this example, let's say we've got 3 different systems in our organization: a call center, a CRM, and a web shop containing different records: A, 113, B, 76, and C, 986. Look at these records. They all look somewhat alike. There's a person called Rossi living in London with a similar company called Bach Brewers. So once we connect to the Smart Customer MDM system, these 3 operating systems will now connect to a single connectivity platform that contains embedded validation services. Let's go ahead and connect the first call center system and fetch record A113. We will run it through the Smart Customer MDM system. This is the first time we see the record for J. Rossi in London with the company of Bach Brewers. So in the Golden Profile database, a new entry is created with the record number of 326, with the information about J. Rossi. The address information is validated and corrected. Further, the company information is enriched as it is a public listed company. So this is the first entry into the new Golden Profile database for J. Rossi out of the call center system. Now we will connect the CRM system to the Smart Customer MDM and fetch record B76. The solution will find a match and will enrich the information that already exists in the Golden Profile database. For this example, the first name, J, actually stands for John. Lastly, we'll connect to the web shop. Once again, there's a match. Here we notice that John Rossi has opted out. So this information is also enriched into the Golden Profile database. So now we have a Golden Profile database that contains the best possible information about John Rossi in our operating systems. In addition, we can see where every single piece of information came from, thus providing an audit trail. For example, we know that the opt-out information came from the web shop systems. The information about the first name came from the CRM system. With this golden record, which is stored in the Golden Record Profile database, it allows the customers to not make any changes to their operating systems. This is a separate database that links to the operative systems. We now have our Golden Profile here for John Rossi with an ID of 326, and with the Smart Customer MDM system in place, the user can then place the information retrieved from all 3 operating systems back into a single system. For example, the CRM system, fully populated as the Golden Record. This can be done for all the information we have stored in the Golden Profile. This can be done for just parts of the information, for example, the address information or the opt-out information. Or another example is John Rossi changing his email address in the web shop system. We would consider this as a secure change and then populate the CRM system and the call center systems with the latest email address of John Rossi. The business rules define the matching, so a best possible match is a match within 100 points. Everything which is below 70 points we do not consider as a match. Everything that is better than 80 points we do consider a match, and the gap between 70 and 80 points we've dubbed for matches where a data steward would have a second look to see if these are really matches. This is a highly configurable system that allows the user to define every single piece of information we find in the systems, from email addresses, telephone numbers, mobile numbers, and more, and how it should play a part within the matching process. In addition, the user can search for a record. In this example, we will search for B. Miller. The system starts the search within the Golden Profile database. Here, the system displays the information about Bill Miller from the Golden Profile database, as well as providing the information about his address, phone number, email, and company that he works for, in addition to providing the full audit thread so we can go back to the operating system and fetch additional information. For example, from a life insurance system, where we see that Bill Miller has a life insurance for his family with 2 children. Then we can go to the risk insurance system, where we see he has a BMW and house insurance policy, and also claims in the claims management system for car damage and a prescription. So here we can obtain a 360-degree customer view. 9-point provides the compliance and legal aspects. So being legal can be combined in a very flexible way when you manage your customer profile in a granular and selective way. So you have the possibility to say opt in or opt out for each single channel. And rather than blocking all the channels of interaction, You just really block the channels which the plan has opted out for, or share with permissions information with other partners, and it's better to share something than to share nothing. The Golden Profile helps to gain knowledge about the customer's behavior in real time and to identify the decisive key moments. This knowledge is then used by the company to influence the further goals of the customer journey. Here, you not only have the possibility to trade and track a prospect in the channel, but also enrich the Golden Profile by channel jumping formation, using this, for example, for predictive analysis and to better communicate and define the customer journey. With us, you have the basic trust in your data. All the operating systems link to the Smart Customer MDM, which can be seen as a customer data hub. The embedded functions in this system include validation, analyzing, cleansing, matching, linking, and merging the information, but then also compliance and security issues. In every scenario, the user needs to pass the information to the Smart Customer MDM system, and then there it can be decided which pertinent information should be given back to the operating system. For example, like the call center, the e-commerce, or the EPRM system. The Smart Customer MDM is a professional solution and background for customer profile data. This lean, tailored MDM concept enables you to create golden profiles and obtain information about each individual customer immediately and is readily available company-wide. Golden profiles are matched in a central depository where data quality tools ensure that they contain up-to-date, unambiguous, and reliable customer data. The identity resolution arranges similar data sets from different sources into a single golden profile. Data silos and other sources like fragmented data are now a thing of the past. Interactive data and transaction data are the way of the future, as your customer data is enriched with this information. You always know which customer purchased what product and what channel they used. This uninterrupted customer history data, together with already known user behavior, means that you can develop individual offers and address them to the right person at the right time. Therefore, you can create a captivating journey for your customers. For more than 40 years, UNISERV has specialized in creating, managing, and maintaining high-value customer data. The central focus of our product portfolios, concerns, and consultations have always been to ensure the highest level of quality data. The introduction of Smart Customer MDM does not require a complex integration project or alterations to an existing data module. The Smart Customer MDM solution means that elaborate programming and adjustment periods, as well as lengthy software servicings, are all things of the past. Smart Customer MDM is individually customized to the demands of each different company and is implemented in multi-level methodical processes. After just 3 months, you will profit from the tangible and added value data that you obtain. That the return on this investment is clearly evident. UNISERV is an expert in successful customer data management. Smart Customer MDM, the MDM solution for customer master data, combines data quality assurance and data integration in a comprehensive approach. Customer data is at the focus of the initiative of master data management, data quality, data migration, and data reorganization. The environment of the ramifications, e-business, direct and database marketing, customer data integration, MDM applications, and business intelligence. With several thousand installations worldwide, UNISERV serves the expectations of a comprehensive solution for all business and customer data for the entire data life cycle. The company employs more than 130 people at its headquarters in Volkswagen, Germany, and its subsidiaries in Paris, France, and Amsterdam, Netherlands. We've got a strategic partnership with Anchor Software for more than a decade, serving many Fortune 100 companies in the U.S. We're also ranked in the Gartner's Magic Quadrant since 2009 in the leading fall. Thank you for watching. This does conclude the Anchor Software featuring UNISERV Smart Master Data Management presentation.